अहिंसा का पुजारी सत्य की राह दिखाने वाला, अहिंसा का पुजारी सत्य की राह दिखाने वाला, ईमान का पाठ गए हमें वो बापू लाठीवाला, वो बापू लाठीवाला। With this inspirational quote, I am Raviraj Damre. So friends, today is the death anniversary of the great hero that is Mahatma Gandhi. So today I am conducting a speech on Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who devoted his life for India's independence. He is also known as Father of the Nation or Bapu because of his great contribution in India's freedom struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His mother's name was Putli Bai and his father Karamchand Gandhi held the position of Diwan in state of Rajkot. He got qualified as a barrister in England and came back to India. Later he was in South Africa for around 2 decades where has saw the injustice of white men towards India in many ways. So he decided to become a political activist for bringing positive changes towards such kind of discrimination. He returned to India in 1915 and allied with Congress. He launched the Satyagraha movement against the British. Under his leadership, Congress started movements like non-violence and non-cooperation to oppose the British rule. Yet another movement called Quit India movement was started by him in 1942, which forced the British to leave our country, and thus India got independence on 15th of August in 1947. He decided his entire life in pursuit of the truth and believed in living a simple life. He worked for social issues like discrimination on the basis of caste and gender. Unfortunately, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30th January in 1948. Since then, 30th of January is celebrated as Martyrs Day, and we call the Martyrs Day in Hindi is Hutatma Din in India to pay tribute to him. So friends, this great leader of our country died on 30th of January in 1948. People from all the religions loved and respected him. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and deeds, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. So friends, I will finish my speech by saying these 2 lines. देश के आज़ादी के लिए जिसने सत्याग्रह चलाया, देश के आज़ादी के लिए जिसने सत्याग्रह चलाया, सत्य और अहिंसा से जिसने अंग्रेजों को भगाया, सत्य और अहिंसा से जिसने अंग्रेजों को भगाया। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।